Have you ever wondered what it's like to be both alluring and lethal? In the heart of the Brazilian rainforest, a creature lives this paradox every day. Meet the arrow poison frog, a member of the Dendrobatidae family. This small but formidable creature is a spectacle to behold. With a vibrant skin that comes in a palette of colors, the arrow poison frog is a living masterpiece, carrying a lethal secret in its very flesh. The indigenous people of the rainforest discovered this secret long ago. They began to use the frog's toxic secretions to poison the tips of their arrows, hence the name arrow poison frog. It's a testament to the ingenuity of these native cultures and the lethal allure of the frog. The arrow poison frog isn't just one kind. Over 170 different species fall under this title, each with its unique color pattern and toxicity level. Some are as tiny as a thumbnail, others a bit more robust, but all share the same deadly skin. The allure of their vibrant colors might tempt you to reach out and touch, but beware. The skin of the arrow poison frog secretes potent toxins capable of causing serious harm or even death. Admire them, but from a safe distance. These tiny warriors play a crucial role in the rainforest ecosystem. They keep the insect population in check, contributing to the delicate balance of life in the rainforest. However, they are under threat. Deforestation and pollution are destroying their home, pushing them towards extinction. The story of the arrow poison frog is a tale of beauty, danger, and survival. It's a testament to the rich tapestry of life that thrives in the heart of the rainforest. But it's also a call to action. The arrow poison frog needs our help. We must stand up against deforestation and pollution. We need to respect and preserve the rainforest, not just for the arrow poison frog, but for all the remarkable creatures that call it home. So, next time you marvel at the beauty of the rainforest, remember the arrow poison frog. Remember its vibrant colors, its lethal allure, and its vital role in the ecosystem. And remember, we all have a part to play in preserving this incredible world.